Mastering the block method in compare and contrast essays. Hello learners! Today, we're diving into a powerful technique used in compare and contrast essays, the block method. This method is all about structure and clarity, and by the end of this video, you'll be equipped to use it like a pro. The block method is one of the primary ways to organize a compare and contrast essay. Imagine your essay as a series of blocks, where each block represents a subject or an item. In the block method, you discuss all the points related to one subject first and then move on to the next subject. So, why should you consider using this method? 1. Clarity. By discussing one subject at a time, your reader doesn't need to constantly flip back and forth mentally between subjects. 2. Depth. This method allows you to dive deep into each subject before moving on to the next, ensuring a thorough analysis. To effectively use the block method, follow these steps. 1. Introduce your subjects. In your introductory paragraph, give a brief overview of the subjects you'll be comparing and contrasting. 2. Discuss subject A. Dedicate the next section or several paragraphs to discussing all the relevant points related to the first subject. Cover everything you want the reader to know about this topic in relation to your thesis. 3. Transition. Use a transitional phrase or sentence to smoothly shift from subject A to subject B. 4. Discuss subject B. Just as you did with the first subject, delve into every pertinent point related to the second subject. 5. Comparison. Although each subject is discussed separately, it's essential to highlight the main points of comparison throughout or in a brief section after discussing both subjects. 1. Balanced discussion. Make sure you give equal weight to both subjects. If you write 5 paragraphs about subject A, aim for a similar length when discussing subject B too. Clear transitions. Using clear transitional phrases or sentences helps guide the reader and indicates a shift in focus. 3. Stay objective. Especially if comparing factual subjects, maintain an unbiased tone. There you have it. The block method is a powerful tool in the arsenal of any writer tackling compare and contrast essays. Remember to provide depth, use clear transitions, and keep a balanced discussion. We hope this video sheds light on this technique, and may your essays be ever clear and compelling. Happy writing!